So there's so many things I want to show you about Canva that it could really be an entire training, but I wanted to show you just bits and pieces of it in small short videos that you can refer back to. So the first one that I want to show you is how you can use the templates option such as a certificate, and also how you can use a tool called bulk mode that you can actually generate a whole list of student awards or certificates for every single student without having to create multiple files. So to do this, first in Canva, what you'll do, you can just type certificate. If you have one already in mind, you can use that one too. But let's say that this is a certificate that I want to use. I can customize that to my liking. So once I have my certificate, a couple things that you can do. First is you can change the colors and by everything by clicking on different elements and changing the colors right here. You have access to also the brand kit, and I've added all of the buff colors so that you can actually pick the correct color gold and the correct color maroon for if you want it to be in accordance with buff's colors. Or you could add any color you want. This is a cool tool, the eyedropper tool, that if you click on this, you can go anywhere on the screen, or even if you have a different color on your desktop that you want to pull into, you can change it like that. Another thing that you can do, because I've added that brand kit of styles, if you go up to design, you click on the styles tab, you can see how this brand kit can appear and if it will use those colors and apply it to the design. But if I don't like that, I can click on that until I see a color combination that I enjoy. So after I do that, I can even choose if I want to change the type of font based on these font combinations. So they show you a couple of them, but you can kind of go through and decide ones that you might like. And then again, go back and still apply the color combination that you want. So that's a little bit about Canva and the stylistic tools that you can do. Again, I could do probably like an hour tutorial on all the different features of design, but I want to focus right now showing you some of the options called the bulk mode. So in the bottom left corner, if you click on apps and then you search here for bulk, you can see this bulk create. So I'm going to click on bulk create. And then you have the option, if you have like a CSV file, which is essentially like a spreadsheet, you can use that if you have that data already there, or you can enter the data manually. Because I haven't generated it yet, I'm just gonna do this. So I'm gonna have my name as my heading and then the email. And let's say this is all my information. I can add another one too. Sam Smith. And if I wanted to, I could add an image too, but I'm going to leave it simple and add text. And then I'm going to say done. And once I hit done, the next thing that I'm going to do is click on where I want this element of information to appear. So if I want the name to appear right here, what I'm going to do is click on the name on the certificate, and then I'm going to click on those three dots, and then I'm going to say connect data and collect what data field I need, which is the name. So I'm going to click that there, and then I'm going to click continue. And so what it's asking, it's saying, do I want to apply that data for all those people? And I want to say yes to generate the pages. So what that will do, it'll actually open that template in a separate tab for you in a separate file. So now I have all of these certificates with all those different names on here. And then that way I don't have to go through every single file and add those names. So that again is using the bulk create mode in Canva.